Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to delete Protonmail address. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So, at the very beginning you need to go to the web browser on your computer, and in the search bar type proton.me and hit enter. Now click on sign in, which is at the top right corner of the website. Fill up the email and password and hit sign in. Now click on go to settings. Click on account and password in the sidebar and scroll down a bit. Click on delete your account button. Select the reason why you are leaving. And provide your email, and it will ask for the password. After typing the password, click on authenticate. And your account is deleted. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.